Good evening friends. Today there is another video regarding Macbook Air A1466 from Electric Doctors. Now in front of me you can see there are two boards. This one is a scrap board and this logic board has come to us for repairing. And one of my friends sitting with this board, and his name is Somnath, and this is the SIO IC, and just underneath, just below the SIO, you can see the tweezer tip. From there is one resistance missing on this board. The resistance has melted due to the moisture. Okay, so now Somnath will take out the resistance from this logic board. You can see with the help of a tweezer and blower, he is just taking out the resistance. The resistance is so tiny, it's really difficult to handle, and now he is just putting the resistance on the board which has come to us for repairing, and almost he has done with the resistance, and he is just shifted his SMD workstation nozzle and it has installed. So hopefully this board will run after putting or fixation on the chassis of the Air laptop. And catch you in another video. Thanks a lot for watching video. Goodbye for the moment.